myself Ajas. I'm representing Gear Technology. We are into ear-based solutions. So this is the software. But before moving to the modules, let me tell something about our company. Like what makes us different or what we are exactly doing is like we have the base software. This is the base software. I mean, yeah, it's only the design change. We have all the modules that are looking for marketing, uh, workshop management, asset management. All the modules are over here in the section. Workshop and everything is over here. And what we exactly do is like we get the requirement from the client. Say it is like, yeah, so this is one of a client example. So this client have provided us what exactly they need in their software, in their ERP solutions. Like these are the modules they are looking for. They have described it like in each section what all things they need, or what all field they need, and what are the procedures they need to have. All things in detail. Like it's like almost 16 pages. So everything is detailed. What all things exactly what they need, and based on this, we develop the ERP. So this is their ERP. So based on that, you can see there is a lead, customer, project, service, leave, management, everything is there. And one more thing is like, say if I'm going to customer, if I need to add a customer over here, these are the fields available in their software. Okay, I mean these are the field requested by the client. But if you are checking the uh, base model, the field will be entirely different. If I'm checking over here, these are the field we are having. So say for example, if there is some other field extra they need, or there is some field they don't need, we eliminate it and we add field over here. So in this way the client will be getting exactly what they're looking for, nothing more, nothing less. Like in the sense like all the changes what they need will be in the system. And thing is like there is no training over here. For this client we haven't literally provided the training. Means like they are familiar with the words, they are familiar with the system. I mean in the sense like they are familiar with what all things they are doing. I mean they see, even the uh, employees over there, they didn't get any training from it, frankly speaking. So it's so easy for, I mean user friendly for the clients to use, because they see what they need only, nothing extra will be there. So confusion won't be there. It's easy because what all, I mean we were doing the old practice. Means like we were giving the software customized way. So as normal, every companies are providing the same thing. They have the same old software, they customize in the same section and give to the client. So over here you will be seeing field that you don't need, you might not need, kind of thing will be there, and it's confusing the client, and it takes time as well. But in our approach, we give what the client need only in a fully customized operation within 20 days. That's the approach we are taking. Within 20 days we are promising. If not, there's a complete refund, no questions asked. That is the uh, strategy we are following right now. So coming to the software, we have a customer section. You can add customers. All the field is over here. Like moving forward, you need inventory. You can add the item with image, with the commodity code, commodity name, SKU code. Even barcode can be added. Like this is the barcode section. System generates automatically, or if the item have a barcode, we can also enter it manually. These are the field we are having. We can have multiple units, sale price, attached image, everything can be done over here. And of course we have a clear cut, I mean we can transfer the stock from one warehouse to multiple warehouse, different warehouse management is there. We have reports, whatever reports you need we can generate. I mean it's like, say in our system we only have this report, we cannot do anything else. It's not like that. Whatever reports you are requesting for, all those reports can be created from the system. It's a completely customized, yeah. So these are the reports we are having. And again our approach is completely different. That's why I'm not completely going depth into each section, because uh, we are not giving the system to you. The final output will be something like this. These are all customized thing we are given to clients. So whatever things you need, it will be completely customized over here. And going back, we have inventory section over here. We can manage whatever things, I mean all the settings will be over here to manage the commodity type, commodity group, subgroups, units, color, model, sizes, styles. Warehouse you can manage, I mean say we can keep the minimum and maximum inventory. All the things can be kept over here. Permissions we can add, say roles and permissions we have separate thing. So from here we can give the permissions. Say for example, this user, I mean these are the modules over here, and for each module we can give permissions. Say for example, for the items, he can view, create, edit, and delete option is unavailable. So basically for all sections we can have this option in the roles and permissions. Then like we have the workshop management. So over here we can say the dashboard, how many work is there, what is the statistics, all these kind of things is over here. Like to create a job repair, we go for new job card, we have all the details over here, the mechanic, the delivery time, the customer, the job name, all details can be listed over here, and we can save. Then we have we can add the mechanics, we can add the devices for any labor products, all branches. If you have multiple branch for the workshop, we can add the multiple branch. We can have the inspections, everything can be. Settings is there. From the settings we can add the holidays, appointment. If there is an appointment to be had, we can add the appointments, intervals. All these things can be done over here. Even delivery option is also over here. Now, yeah. So these are the things. See again, I'm not going depth because thing is like you will be getting what you will be listing in the document exactly. So this is the document we have provided. In the document we have clearly mentioned what our modules will be there, like the roles and management should be there, email notifications, calendar, public form. Yeah, I'll just go through these two things as well. Then the CRM module will be there, contract management, asset management, workshop, store management. So these are the modules you requested. So in this one, if you, the only request from your end is like what all things you need from this thing or remove. Like say for example, if you need to add one more field over here, just add you need this field, and if you don't need this thing, you can remove this thing. So that's the only request we are looking from your end. The rest you will be getting within 20 days. You get the output in the way that you need. Going back, so yeah, so this is one of the thing, calendar. Say all the schedules, all the meetings, all the plans, everything what you're recording in the system will be showcased in the calendar. Just yeah. So all the things will be listed in the calendar. I mean, also the main point is like say for example, if a mechanic he is on duty, I mean he have already duty assigned, say for example on Tuesday from 1 a.m. to 2 a.m. So if I am trying to assign a new job to him, he won't be available because he is already booked. So by default system understand that those things. So if I need to know more details, I can click over it, I can get that details over here, and all the notification will be going to email. Then if you need to add WhatsApp also, we can add the WhatsApp. Then there are like public forms. Say last time we discussed the same thing, like there's a public form. So if it is an anonymous user, he can enter, I mean these are, I mean the whole system is customizable as well. So whatever field you need, they can enter the field, and these details will be coming directly over here. See like this. Even if I need to share this thing, I can simply click on this. This is a public shareable link, so user can be see what all things. I mean, say for example, if it is a workshop, the job card, we can share the job card like this to the client. So without even logging in, they can see what's the status. If you are changing the status from system, they can see the work done. It's, I mean, it's ready to collect, kind of thing. Anything can be done over here. Then yeah, so this is the system. We can add task, leave management, AMC. AMC is one thing we are discussing. So we have buying and selling AMC, right? So we can add the AMC over here, and this AMC again will be showcased in calendar, and we can get reminder that within, say we can put the reminder. Say we need reminder from past 1 month or whatever the time frame we need, we can put that reminder and we get notified via email, this system we get notified. So if I'm just opening this AMC, I can see the whole details of this particular AMC. I can download the contract over here, I can send email from here. So all those things works from here.